Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery draining too fast on HP Compaq 17. So first, go into the battery settings by clicking the right bottom panel and then the battery icon, power mode, and change to best power efficiency. Then energy saver, enable the energy saver. On screen sleep and hibernate high modes, just lower all of these options. It's better to click on the recommended. Then on the bottom gray panel, right click on it and open Task Manager. Then Startup Apps and disable all the startup apps that you don't use as a startup app. So for example here, and click disable. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.